Creating single word captions. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. How to make single word captions. Drag the video in the timeline. And now here, let's go to text. Make sure you enable it from here. And then just wait for the transcript to load. And from here, what you're going to have to do, just click on here, create captions from transcript. And then here, make sure you select single word. We didn't have this option here like a month or two, I think. So they just added this recently. Create captions. Now you basically have the captions. But problem is that it's located right over here. And now we highlighted the captions, but we need to go here to Window and go to Properties. And we already highlighted, we just need to increase the font size and select the position now, maybe one here, 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 and then we go and drag this down. And now it's word for word, but it's too large, the font size. Now it's totally fine. Now you can change the text font, but that's pretty much it.